How to enable emails or notifications for nearby jobs in Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable emails or notifications for nearby jobs in Yelp. To enable emails or notifications for nearby jobs in Yelp, it is simple and not difficult. Just follow the steps that I'll be showing you in this video. The first step is to log into your Yelp for Business account. All right, because if you want to apply for jobs in Europe, you'd have to have a business account. And then how can you do this? Once you're logged in and you're brought to the page for active users, move to the left side of the screen where you can see Yep, right side of the screen, sorry, where you can see Yep for business, and then the options displayed. You can see add a business. To add your business, if you don't have a business already, you can see the option claim a business. You can see logging into your business account. All right, and then once you can see all of this, the next thing to do is to choose either of the three depending on your category. And then once you are logged in, the next thing to do is to navigate to your account settings for your business account. Okay, now once you're on your account settings, by the left side of the screen you will see a navigation bar. All right, look for the email section, and then once you are in the email section, adjust your preferences to receive notifications related to nearby jobs or other relevant updates. Now, the reason I can't show you this vividly is because in my location, I cannot create a business account, but for you, you can. So just go ahead, do that, and then once you've adjusted your preferences, always stay informed, okay? Once you receive the email notifications, always check it, always respond to quotes or inquiries about your businesses. And then you can also set up notifications through the Air for Business mobile app to receive alerts when you have new messages and for easy access to responses. So this is how it is. Thanks for watching and have a good day.